Hello guys, welcome to the lab, which is username enumeration via different responses, and this kind of will be my first lab for Burp Suite. But let's get started. So these are the usernames and the passwords Burp Suite wants me to try while doing this app. So I guess you might have already set up your Burp Suite, but if not, I'll just show you real quickly. What you need to do is you need to go here, go to the settings, go to general, and you need to go on network, you need to go on manual proxy, and then once again I'll just start Burp Suite in the background. So till the time Burp Suite is started, so you need to type manual proxy configuration over here, and this is the one. Just remember this, it has to be precisionally this is the value, you have to keep this as only. I need to click on OK, or you can even have proxy Foxy proxy and do this. So let's get started. So let's do access the lab, then let's start it. So this is my lab and my lab has been loaded. So let's click on home and we are on the home page. Let's click on account login. So this is the page which Burp Suite wants, like which Portchecker wants me to find out the username and password. So let's get started. So let me start by turning the intercept on. So my intercept is on right now, and for the username let's try ethical. For the password let's try hacker, and let's try to log in. And as you can see, you will see the query over here, and I'll send this to the intruder, and I'll just forward this so that you can see the request. So this is the request which I got, which is invalid username. So what I just noticed is that it is not checking the password, the only thing it's checking is the username. So as you can see, again it shows invalid username. That is only if the username is right, it will go to the password section to check whether the password is right or not. So I'm going to try and brute force this username, and I'm going to try different usernames to see which one is right. So firstly, when you will get this option, you need to click on clear. Then after clear, you need to select the parameter which you wish to have add the payload or to the brute forcing attack. So I am choosing the username, then I'm going to choose this button, insert a new payload marker, and then after this is done, ensure this is on sniper, and then go to payloads, and these are the words or the usernames which I want to try. So let me copy this real quick. After this has been copied, I'll go here and I'll paste it over here. So after pasting it, you will notice these are the, one second, have I okay yeah, okay, fine, by mistake I actually copied the other part as well. So let me go down and copy all of these till here. So I've copied this, and I'll clear this and I'll paste it. These are the usernames which we are going to try. If you want to check one more name, just take it for sample purposes. Let's take test and let's do add. So these are the usernames which Burp Suite is going to test, and keep this on simple list and start attack. Just click on OK. And now the first attack was where empty, like nothing was entered for the username, and that didn't work. Then root was entered for the username, that didn't work. Admin was entered as a username, maybe that didn't work too, because actually we don't even know the password. So how is that going to work? But you can see these are the length of the response which you are getting. So for every time I am entering a wrong username, I am getting this response saying invalid username. But if I'll enter the right username, so maybe I'll get a different response. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have tried 93 passwords total of our list of 101 given usernames. and these are the results which we are getting. And for every time we get this link 2985, it's an invalid username. And so let's see, even though it's not completed fully, but you can see we'll sort it by length, that for one unique username I was getting a different length, and so that means I got a different result. So just let me take this username, let me copy this thing, and see, as you can see, the attack has not been completed yet. And let me try this username, and let me just try any password, and it's showing me invalid password. If you might have noticed, then rather than invalid username which was coming in, now it's coming in as invalid password, and the web page has now changed. So you can see a different result and different response. So now you can now we have confirmed that our username is right, because it's showing incorrect password and not incorrect username. So now our username is, we know, is correct. So let's go over here, and now rather than trying for the username which we know is this one and it's correct, now we are going to try for password. So let me select this password section and add it. So there is one payload which is added in the password, and let the sniper be selected, then we'll go to payload. I'll clear all of these, and these are the passwords TryHackMe want us to try. So I want to click all of these passwords, just going to copy them. Yep, and then I'm going to paste it over. So these are all the 100 passwords which TryHackMe want us to try, and let me check. This is the username which we found was correct, and this is the password which we are going to brute force and start attack. So firstly we tried the same username and this password, so nothing, no change in length, no change in status. Then it tried the same username, which is the right username, and this password, then this password, and it's keep on trying different passwords till the time we get the desired result. But for this one, 1 2 3 4 5, I am getting a different status. So let me go and try 1 2 4. The username is this one, the password being 1 2 3 4 5, and I don't know what's happening, but let's try something else. 1 2 3 4 2 3 4, and nope. So let me stop the attack once, let me just take this one on results. Okay, so let me stop the attack. As you can see, I'm getting a different status in here, and all of these are 400 after that, so maybe this one might be the password. So let me close this. Let's go to proxy intercept is off, fine, and in here I'll actually switch off the proxy now. Okay, so this is the username which we know is correct, and for the password it was 1 2 3 4 5, and let's try and log in. I don't know why I'm seeing this page. Okay, so let's try this again. Password was 1 2 3 4 5, and yep, it has been successfully logged inside, and now we have successfully, I guess, solved our lab. So let's click on home, let's click on my account, and yep, my account, it has been solved. So I guess this is done and our lab has been solved. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you're facing such same kind of errors or something. And I'm going to be posting more labs, so subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to like explain how I did this setup, so you can, like, most welcome. So comment down in the comment section, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.